What do you think, Jay? Huh? What do you think, Jaden?
It's amazing how they're like exactly the same color.
Jaden, what do you think?
Get out of the way!
Oh my god.
Miles! Sergeant Miles! Yes, sir. Get first platoon ready. You're working for him now. Then you stand there and play. Right? Alright, here's the deal. You have platoon trapped in this peak, killed by machine guns. You see my tracks in? Jerry.
I don't think you hear it. Get closer. Get closer. Get closer. Gonna stop.
One, two. Good girl. Good dog.
Oh shit! Stop the boat!
Did Maverick jump in?
Yeah, he jumped in. Stop.
Come here, boy. Holy shit, dude. Maverick, come here. What are you doing? Put over here. Jeez. Really? Really? Unnecessary. That bait's in the water. It's very dangerous. How do you get over here? On this side. Over here. Maverick, come here right now. Come here right now. No, over here. Over here. Over here.
over here. You deserve to be bit in the ass by a dolphin.
He took a leak.
What are you doing?
Yeah. Oh, you're funny, Jackie. Yeah. Oh, you're a goof.
Okay, I know what it is that you want to do. Now, Nick and Justin are home from school, and I'm going to let them have a snack, and then they are going to go and do the thing that you want to do in the backyard with the thing that you throw the ball with to chuck it so they can throw the ball very far. Now, should they use the tennis ball or the soccer ball? Tennis ball, say yes if it's...
Who's with you, doggy? Who's with you?
Roxy,
Oh,
Roxy.
you're gonna make her scared again. Roxy, come here. Come here, girl. Come here, Roxy. Come on, it's just nighttime. Come on. It's just nighttime. You can come up here. Come on. Come on. Come on, Roxy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Roxy, come here. Ew.
Ah, Jesus. Right into the camera.
We've got some spilled tissues. Was it you, Rudy? Did you get into Rudy? Did you get into the tissue box? Stay golden. How about you, Willow? Did you get into the tissue box? Huh? What's going on?
We're going to a somersault?
No, don't you dare. Oh, great.
Orange. Sawyer. What is it? What is it, Sawyer? You want the orange? Sawyer, Sawyer. Sit. Sawyer, sit. Cookie! What is all this? What did you do? What did you do? Huh? Who did that? Cookie? Is this you? Come here. Say sorry. How do you say sorry?
Did you make this mess and tear up that Christmas present? Did you do this? Did Lily do that? Did she do this? I think you did.
Did you rip the plant? And what have you done with the plant? Hey? Willow? Were you the naughty girl? Were you naughty? You been digging up the good plants again? Oh, you're in trouble. What did you do?
I can't decide. We weren't sure who did it. But then you get this fella over here. Harley. Did you do this? What did you do to my slipper? Did you do this to my slipper? What did you do? Look.
Something. Did you do something? Did you do something? Did you do something? Show me what you did. Show me what you did. Show me what you did.
Zeus, did you poo everywhere? Zeus, was it you that pooed everywhere? And tear up the pee-pee pad? Why'd you poo there? Was that you? Why'd you poo?